Right, we're off to Rochester this morning.
Yeah.
With doggies on a train.
We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance.
Leaving Matilda on her own. No doggy protection. So, yeah, we got tickets. Surprisingly expensive. 100 and something francs. Or maybe more than that, I can't remember. Oh, this is it, it's a little one. And look, the cogs. See the cogs? Oh, why don't you go first, dogs? Sheena is here, but she's black. Wasn't expecting the speed. Kilometres an hour, it says so. This is so fun. You really should do this, honestly. It's awesome. And then it starts going fast. And look, railway railway bedrooms. Very complex manoeuvre. Change line. Passing places, I assume. I don't know what, we're pushing a cart. Can you see that? Don't know why. Oh, it's a little bridge. I'm sorry, this is really exciting. It's like being a kid again. It was nowhere near this much fun the first time. I think we were in the clouds most of the time. It was freezing cold. You having fun? Yeah. It's amazingly steep, isn't it? Go at the back again. Just because I can. Another station? Surely not. Yep, another one. There's people getting on here. How dare they get on? As Paul said, there's a lot of footsteps down there. People walk. Look, footsteps. Nutcases. Why would you do that? Get sunburn. Come on, Hans. On your feet. Good kids. Oh, it's cold, isn't it? I can't put a coat. That's it. They love snow. They really do. It's great, isn't it? I think the last snow day they had was in South Zeal. They loved that too. So did every dog in the village. The top. This lovely place to sit and freeze. But it's still April, so yes, that's why. And now we're on the way down. I don't even know if we've got a train driver on the way down.
Just let it go.
Just let it go, exactly. It's just various forms of braking. Now, if I'm very clever, I can reverse this and make you think we're going uphill. We're hoping to get off at the stop, the penultimate stop, because it has access to a funicular. And we have a fan who loves funiculars. And do you know who you are, Sean? We'd like to show you that. Anyone else have any requests? Just tell us, because I want comments. I want people to tell me what they want and what they don't want. And boop the like button, please. You can even subscribe and shut this kid up in the background. The driver is actually in the back, just checking the braking. Doesn't need to see where he's going. Come on, in you get. Yeah, it's mummy. Come on, in you get. Bonjour.
Just go.
I do not. Oh, well, it looks like it does. And there's departure times there, so. That was a false alarm, wasn't it? Well, again, it's just braking with style, isn't it?
It's like a water chute.
Yeah, very much so. Except without the water or the chute. We should be able to see the moho from here because we can see this from the moho. Yeah. Oh, I can. Look, there it is. Yeah, look. Do you remember we were parked on top of the railway line? Yeah. Oh, look. Yeah. The ranch, as we call it. Ooh, ah. It's quite fast. Ooh, look. I think it's a bit smoother than the one on the cliffs of Westwith. Why have we stopped? It's not a station, surely. Really? Kids being good again. Kids are getting very good at this. There's another one. What's happening? As I couldn't before. Oh, this is getting. What happens if we go the wrong way? The right. Yeah, because we're driving on the wrong side of the road, so you will manipulate on the wrong side of the road. I was right. Pretty impressive, isn't it, really? Look at that. There goes the box. There's no one in it. It's a box on its own. Oh, it does. Now we're going under the road bridge. God, well, we live the dream. Now this is a station though, look, seriously. Is this the bottom?
That's fine. You know, it's one way.
Ah,
Stopped.
yeah. It is. Yeah, it's got a name and everything. I think we are. There's a spare car there. Might be one of the originals. Yeah, look, it's definitely one of the originals. Oh wow. It's pretty cool, isn't it? So there were, look, 1, 2, 3 carriages that were sealed, and then one of the bottoms open. The open air version. Okay, got to get off.
Come on, let's go find it.
Yeah, that's where we need to be, exactly, just over there. See over the road, over there, Dave? I'd say goodbye to Montreux, and it's quite sad actually, because I really love Montreux. I think it's a wonderful little place. I mean, obviously, you know, we couldn't afford to live here because Paul looked up a tiny, tiny apartment and it was $500,000. So, not that we could even be allowed to live here, but you know what I mean. Yeah. Well, we've got other things to do anyway. This is the bit, yeah. It's very, very Swiss. And wonderfully old and well preserved. Ah, the little park.